Today was a case where I think we were about 30-35 runs short. 150 was a below par score, to be honest, on that sort of wicket. If we bowled better, we could have made a good fight of the total we had on the board, but I think about 170, 175 would have been a more competitive total. I wouldn't say a match-winning one still, because the ball was coming on nicely, but still, it would have been one that we could have tried a few things and put pressure on the opposition. But with the start they had, it was very difficult to pull things back, and that's where you need a cushion of 35-40 runs, which we didn't have. And he picked 3 wickets in that game, so that's why he's in the side. Yeah, you can say, he played that game because we travelled from West Indies, we didn't have much time on hand. But he does well in the IPL, he did well for us in the T20 World Cup in 2014 as well, he bowled really well. Unfortunately, he couldn't play in the 16 T20 World Cup, but again, he's a guy with variation. He's any day useful on a more bare wicket, as I mentioned. So it won't be a surprise to anyone if he features in the next couple of games, depending on how the wicket is. IPL T20 होता है, उसमें मैंने 17 मैच में ओपन किया, तो उसमें आई थिंक मुझे आइडिया है T20 की ओपनिंग का, तभी मैं गया. ऐसी कोई स्पेशल रणनीति नहीं थी. आई थिंक सब एक्सपेक्ट कर ही रहे थे कि मैं करूँगा, क्योंकि वो टीम को बैलेंस ज़्यादा देता है. आपका एक और बैट्समैन जो नीचे मिडिल ऑर्डर में है वो खेल सकता है. सुरेश रैना जैसे प्लेयर फिर 4 नंबर नहीं जाते, वो और डेंजरस हो जाते हैं, 3 पे जहाँ वो खेलते हैं. तो जब रोहित जैसा प्लेयर नहीं है साइड में एज एन ओपनर, तो आई थिंक मैं एनी डे वो ऑर्डर में स्टेप अप कर सकता हूँ, क्योंकि वो टीम को ज़्यादा बैलेंस प्रोवाइड करता है. वेल, एज आई सेड, डिपेंड्स. इफ रोहित वाज इन द साइड, देयर इज नो क्वेश्चन दैट ही वुड बी ओपनिंग विद राहुल. As I mentioned, it's more of providing balance to the side. I have no urge to open. I can play at 3 as well. I've played for 3, for India at 3 for a long time. I can play anywhere. The management thinks which is the best for the team. This is just a case of Rohit not being there, and because I have opened in IPL and I have a fair idea of it, just providing more balance to another guy getting an opportunity rather than me just playing at 3 and continuing the same, pushing another guy who's not probably suited to opening or hasn't had experience of opening. So that would be unfair on him. It was just about giving the side more balance.